Grandma, it's just time to unite. It's time to get out there in the world again and get your stuff done. Whether it's working, playing, whatever you decide to do out there. Just make sure you go out there and you do it right. You're going out there to work, well, do the best job that you can, you know. Same way with doing sports and you know, NASCAR, everything. Just give it your best, you know. But yeah, today I'm just going out to Pizza Works. I got some stuff to do there today. Plus have some buffet. I certainly can't wait until they're up and running with the new system. So anyway, back on Monday, I went to see Lights Out, the movie, and I have to say it was pretty good. The premise of the movie is good. It is unique. It's not you don't see very movies of that type. You was kind of left wondering if it was the same entity or whatever throughout the movie, or if there's more than one. And the movie has it right on, because you know, the supernatural, whether it's ghosts or demons or whatever you want to believe that they are, I truly believe that they can attach themselves to you or objects in your house. You know, there's all kinds of series out there, Haunted Collector, and you know, Zach Bagans from Ghost Adventures has his own show where he collects these haunted items, and they supposedly have items that, you know, demons or these entities attach themselves to. And I think there are times when they can attach themselves to people as well, and that's kind of what's going on with this movie without saying too much. So if you want to see how the movie plays out, just go see it, rent it. Some people may like this type of movie enough to where they want to purchase it and, you know, keep it for, you know, safekeeping, but I'm still on the fence on whether I'm going to do that. It's definitely worth seeing it again. As far as repeatability of seeing a movie. But it's not on the level of like Deadpool or like the Avengers or any other Marvel movie that you have to have it when it comes out to DVD, Blu-ray, or whatever. I'm not sure what's going on in front of me, but they're going so slow. Well, at least I'll be able to get over and backtrack a little. I hate doing that. But anyway. So that was Lights Out, and I went to see it at Goodrich Theater here in Peoria, and I was in this theater that has different seats. These seats are a little more wider. They're made of leather, almost like a row of recliners almost, except not really recliners. And they are comfortable, man. They are really comfortable. Because some of these theaters, especially the older ones where they give you hardly any room, like everyone, has like size 4, size like 2, women's waist. When they go see a movie, it's kind of uncomfortable. And there's a couple theaters like that here. No, I'm going this way. But the good news is that this other theater is changing out their seats, and they're better than what the other ones were. These new ones are like car seats, man, and they have a leathery type touch too, but more generic, I guess, but still comfortable, more comfortable than the other seats were. But yeah. So anyway, as you've seen, by the time this video has come out, we did a couple more reviews. We did our first episode of the Grand Prize. Where I basically choose, products that are a winner in my books. And share them with you. I will be doing more here soon. It'll probably be a week or two before I do another episode. it's the end of the month, and there's really not that much money to get new stuff, so I have to wait until I get more. And right now, getting money from Google is slim pickings, you know, because there's no subscribers or nothing. Dude, if you see my videos, make sure you're sharing them with the people and asking them to subscribe. It's the only way I'm gonna be able to get bigger as a YouTuber. It is the only way for me to be successful. You know, hire a crew so that it's not just me. Get a team going, you know, like a camera guy and everything. So if you would so kindly suggest to people that they need to subscribe, well, please do so. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, so I can continually give you the content that you're looking for. Otherwise, I'm just out here doing my own thing, and it's never about you, you know. I just want to make it clear that I'm not a challenge type. I'm strictly a reviewer and a blogger. And my health issues are bad enough to put myself in jeopardy for your entertainment. So I gotta do what I can, you know. This is my own brand of entertainment. That I gotta know what you like or what you want to see, because, you know, I can start doing stuff like, you know, gaming news and stuff like that if you want to. You know, I play a Final Fantasy 14. I can be giving you news on it, so, and I might consider that even. But yeah, I can't do the whole, you know, gaming thing news on the level of like Panzer, because my God, she's like a news reporter for World of Warcraft, and I detest that game with every fiber of my being. I don't even like Blizzard as a company. I mean, my God, have you forgotten what happened to Nostradamus? If any of you, since the closing of Nostradamus, has resubscribed to WoW after complaining about them shutting the server down, you're a two-faced bitch. That's what you are. You're a two-faced goddamn bitch. You're a fucking sellout. To go from Nostradamus shutting down, and if you subscribe to the latest version of the game, and you still got your pre-orders, and you're paying for the game now, even though you complained, well, talk about double fucking standards. You no longer have a right to bitch about it anymore. You think you do, but you don't. Remember those words? You're playing a game where the creators want you to play what in their minds should be for you to play. Does that make any sense at all to you? Why are you supporting these people? You think you want a vanilla server, but you don't. That's like ice cream vendors saying, you think you want vanilla, but you really don't. I think I know what I like, bitch. And if you're not going to give it to me, I want to go somewhere else where I can get goddamn vanilla. So fuck you, Blizzard, fuck you. I will never play World of Warcraft. I will never buy a Blizzard game. And it's because of that mentality. Listen to your fucking customers. Or keep putting out shitty expansion packs, expecting to keep the game alive for the next 6 months to a year, or however long you plan on keeping the game going. Because one of these days you're going to have to turn those servers off. But you can't right now because you're limping along trying to get some more money out of these so-called quote-unquote losers that play your game that you have no desire to put into their hands, but they want to play. You guys are morons. Morons or geniuses? No, you're fucking morons. And the thing is, you don't care if you get negative publicity. I mean, seriously, how many of you have like canceled your pre-orders for a week and then decided to, I'm going to go ahead and get it because it's World of Warcraft? Seriously, you guys. I mean, granted, Square Enix may not be giving me everything I want, but I'm happy playing Final Fantasy 14 no matter what. And maybe that's the same with you and World of Warcraft, but I'm telling you what, if I were to meet Yoshida in real life, I'd give him one great big fucking hug and tell him thank you. If you went to see one of his first videos after the botched relaunch of 14, you could see where he was overwhelmed with gratitude. He was sorry for the way everything launched. He thought he had everything, thought out, and well, but it wasn't. But to have someone show that much appreciation and support. And I mean, hell, they even put the entire development team and instance in the game, thanking us for playing and being a part of the game. Dude, that sold me. I will never stop playing 14 now. I don't care. I will never stop playing 14 because I know that they've gone out of their way to think they're playing. Not tell people you think you do, but you don't. So, fuck you, Square or Blizzard, and Yoshida. Thank you. Thank you for Final Fantasy 14. Game might be slow right now. You know, life is eating at people, not letting them get online, but still. I'll catch you in the next vlog.